Some verbs in Arabic, they don't really need any more details or any other words, because the one word, the verb you're using, is going to explain literally everything you're trying to say, and it's equal a full sentence in English. I'm going to give you a couple of words, and that these words are really, really important. We use them every single day. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over them. Make sure you check out my workbooks and worksheets. They are for intermediate and beginner levels. They are on sale right now, and they're all like $3, $4. Like nothing is more than $10, and there is like 3 and 4. So make sure you check it out. And they are on sale anyway. So let's start with the first verb. To eat lunch. We don't really say, I am eating lunch. This is a lot. Like you can, but it's not a common way for us to say it. We just use the word اتغدى. So basically, this word is coming from the word غدا, which means lunch, غدا, lunch. And from this word, we make the action, the action word, which is اتغدى. So اتغدى means to eat lunch. So if I said أنا بتغدى, or even if I just said بتغدى, that basically means I am eating lunch. We don't say أنا باكل غدا. I'm eating lunch. We say أنا بتغدى. The same thing we do for عشاء and فطور. عشاء means dinner and فطور means breakfast. So if I want to say I'm eating dinner, I say أنا بتعشى. Or you don't really have to say أنا. You don't need to say the pronoun, because the word, the verb, like the verb itself, it has the pronoun, it has the action, it has literally everything. So when I say بتعشى, basically I am and eating the dinner meal. So it has everything. So if I said بتعشى, I'm eating dinner. بفطر, I'm eating breakfast. So فطور, the verb for فطور, أفطر. And if I'm eating breakfast, أنا بفطر. أنت تفطر, you are eating breakfast. أنتي تفطري, you are eating breakfast for a female. أنتو تفطروا, you plural, eating lunch. You eat breakfast. هو بيفطر, he is eating breakfast. هي بتفطر, she is eating breakfast. هما بفطروا, they are eating breakfast. إحنا بنفطر, we are eating breakfast. Or you can just say the verb نفطر بفطر تفطر بتفطري, بيفطروا. So that also works perfectly fine, and it's just easier. Now another verb is جلا, to wash dishes. So jala is like, like cleaning, washing, but the word jala is just for cleaning dishes. So if you're saying, for example, أنا بجلي السيارة, that literally does not make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. بجلي is basically I am cleaning or washing the dishes. So if I just say بجلي, I'm washing dishes. Now the word بجلي is coming from, I'm gonna now show you how we have the root, and from the root we make so many different forms. They're all related, and this is another reason why this word explains everything. So jala is coming from, well, jala is the root, the base, and we have the word jelly, which basically means the dishes. So jelly نظيف, clean dishes. jelly وسخ, dirty dishes. مجلى is the place where you wash the dishes, like the sink area. Jala is the action of washing dishes. So if I'm saying bajli, it basically means I am washing dishes. Now, if you go to a store and you want to buy some, kitchen stuff like plates and forks, the things you actually wash, you do not say, I'm going to buy jelly. This does not make any sense either, because jelly is just like, the plates and forks and all the things around the sink. That's everything. Now the last word is غسيل. غسيل basically means laundry. Now if I use the verb بغسل by itself, غسل, it means to wash. I can use to wash for like the car, my hair, like anything you're washing. However, if I'm just using the word to wash, بغسل, most likely it's going to mean I'm doing laundry. The reason is, again, we go back to the base and the roots. غسل is to wash, غسيل is the laundry, غسالة is the washing machine. So see how we have like the root and different forms. So غسالة is a washing machine, غسيل is the laundry, clean laundry, غسيل نظيف, dirty laundry, غسيل وسخ. I think in English laundry basically means, no, it is, I think. Anyway, let's keep moving. غسل is the verb for to wash or to do laundry. You can use, again, you can use the verb غسل for other things, but mainly it's used for laundry because of the root. So it's, the root, as I explained. Okay, well, I hope this helps. If you like my episodes, my podcast, please press like. I saw some people, they press like, and I really appreciate it. So I have more stars. And literally ask me any questions about Arabic. I would love to see your emails, your questions. I'll be more than happy to do an episode answering a question for you or something you do not understand. And if you guys want me to go live, someone asked me the other day if I go live. I don't have a lot of followers. I tried it twice and barely like two people came. So if you want me to go live and ask me like questions on the live, like about Arabic, or get to know me, so just let me know and I will be more than happy to do that. So thank you so much, and I hope I'm helping.